So crash at the end.
Walk of shame. Oh.
So how are you all doing today? In this video I'm going to be installing this MAX10 ESC and motor combo into this Traxxas Rustler 4x4. But what I wanted to do is see if this is any better, and let's get them installed. So, I didn't have any way of mounting the ESC, so I made an aluminium one. Just popped a cable tie under there. So what I'll do is I'll put some double-sided sticky onto the mount there, and then put a cable tie around over the top, and that should be nicely secured. This is just the plate I've been using. It's what we use to make our bash bars. It's just 2.5mm thick plate. Aluminum or aluminium, whichever you prefer. Next, solder on the C5 connector. And then hold these connectors with a pair of mole grips. Make sure there's plenty of solder on the iron. To wire onto the connector, that's the soldering iron on top. That's better. Once you've soldered your connections, then you can push on the female clip. Red being positive. That will. Next, switch on the controller. Oh, ESC powers up. So, we've got a red flashy light on the ESC. And no throttle, so I need to figure out what's going on there. So the reason why we had a blinking red flashy light is because I had the ESC plugged into the wrong channel. These Traxxas receivers have 2 channel 1 ports. Should have gone to Specsavers. Oh, boom, and that's it all installed. Now let's take it out for a rip and see how it goes. That's gonna go. This was my previous speed attempt with the Traxxas Rustler 4x4. It was currently running the stock velineon system.
Nearly maxed out there, I think. Oh, big lock up there at the end. Alright, let's see what we get. Oh, one more. Alright, let's see what speed we've got then, guys. Those tyres are ballooning well. Alright, let's have a look. Wow. I think that's the fastest I've gone with it. It's 56 miles per hour. I think that's pretty impressive. That.
Back to Testing the Hobbywing
Right,
system.
there we go. So that's that all set. Back to 0. Ooh, that was close enough, wasn't it, for you, love?
Look at the pigeon, he wanted to have a little bite.
Oh.
Yeah, he landed it, that counts, doesn't it? No, it's cut out again.
There's something not right with it. Yeah, that's only 80 degrees, look. 50 degrees ESC. Battery temp. Yeah, she's not overheated. 54.
Still cutting out on full throttle. Yeah, sure. Yeah, absolutely. No problem. You okay? Nah. Something's locked up now.
So this here, you see it's been machined on the centre shaft there.
What do you reckon? How fast do you reckon that went? Hey?
I still reckon it's about 72. I'm not getting anywhere near full speed. It's cutting out, so yeah, we'll have a little look.
What's your biggest so far?
Oh, 54. 56 it was with the velineon motor in it. So it's still velineon winning hands down, but I don't know, we're not getting any lights. So everything's fine temperature-wise. What if you undone the sensor? Would that do anything? Would that still run on? It's a sensing system, but I just thought I'd try and plug the motor sensor. See what that does, shall we?
Have you had a sensor in mum?
No, yours cable goes in the back, so that's just motor temperature.
Yeah, that's what.
Just see if with the sensors unplugged, maybe that might help. That was a big wheelie. Double one ball, so crashed at the end.
Walk of shame.
Oh, it's a long old way to go. Crashed right at the end of the road yet. GPS is still in there.
We got 56 of the velineon.
I'll get the program card in it later on, and I'll have a go with the throttle trim and see if I can do anything with that. It might even be that it's set too high to cut off, so I'll do some research on it later and see where the problem lies, and we'll get back to you and hopefully beat 56 mile an hour. Thanks for watching, guys, and no, I think that's it for this session, and I'll catch you in the next videos. Bye for now.